Hello guys, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, isa na naman nating maririnig yung kinakanta ni Arnel Pineda. So, pakinggan natin, isa na naman tong Arnel Pineda dito sa mall na makikita natin na kumakanta. So, pakinggan natin kasi ang nakalagay dito, akala daw nila si Arnel Pineda yung kumakanta. At pakinggan natin yung kanyang at pwede kayo mag-comment kung ano yung boses niya. At huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Please like and share, no? Para masubaybayan nyo itong ginagawa kong reaction video. Here we go.
Highway run into the midnight sun.
Mataas kasi ito nga dato.
Wheels go round and round, you're on my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight. Setting all my love along the wine.
To the moon.
They say that the road is no place to start apparently. Right down the line, it's been you and me. And loving a music man, it always was supposed to be. Oh girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Circus life
Wow.
under the big top world.
Dato na.
We all need the clowns to make us laugh. Through space and time, always another show. Wondering where I am lost without you. And being a pirate easy, there's a love affair. Two strangers there to fall in love again.
Wow, kumaya yung version niya, no?
I get a joy of rediscovering you. Oh girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully.
Parang nauna yung lyrics.
I'm forever yours, forever
Nauna yung lyrics niya, oh.
yours, faithfully.
Ayos, wow. And the rest, wow, grabe guys yung kanyang bigay todo talaga yung pagkanta niya. Faithfully, nag-Arnel Pineda siya dito sa Faithfully na to. And of course, para naman kaboses din naman niya. Para for me sa akin sa akin lang. And sa inyo, kung ano yung kanya, pwede nyo i-comment dyan. At maganda yung ano, may ano siya, may own version sa pagkanta ng Faithfully. Nakikita ko yun sa kanya. At pataas din niya, may high notes siya na kaya niyang itagal. Tapos sa quality ng boses is good for me. And the same time, maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking reaction video. So hanggang doon lang yung ating reaction. Maraming salamat sa support you guys. God bless. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share.